Bahubali 2, the conclusion movie summary in English. Let's begin. Kattappa continues Amarendra Bahubali's tale. After his victory over the Kalakiyas, Bahubali is declared heir apparent with Bhallal Deva as his commander. Sivgami sends him on a tour of the kingdom in disguise with Kattappa, while she selects a suitable queen for him. During the journey, Bahubali witnesses Princess Devsena of Kuntla bravely repelling attackers, leading to an admiration for her. In disguise, he approaches her and is accepted into the royal palace of Kuntla as a guard. Bhallal Deva views Devsena's portrait and Sivgami assures their marriage, sending an emissary to Kuntla. Devsena rejects the proposal, and Bijjal Deva tricks Sivgami into ordering Bahubali to capture Devsena. In Kuntala, Bahubali and Kattappa defend the palace from an attack alongside Devsena and her cousin Kumara Varma. Kattappa then reveals Bahubali as the future king of Mahishmati, and Bahubali proposes Devsena for marriage, who agrees. As the misunderstanding is brought to light, Sivgami orders Bahubali to choose between the crown and Devsena, who then chooses Devsena. As a result, Bhallal Deva is crowned king, with Bahubali as his commander, though Bahubali retains his fame with the people. When Devsena is pregnant, Bhallal Deva removes Bahubali from his position and appoints Sethukthi, a court official. Devsena disagrees publicly with the decision and asks Bahubali to ascend the throne as a gift to her. Bahubali and Devsena are later banished when Bahubali kills Sethukthi for offending Devsena. Threatened by Bahubali's unwavering popularity, Bhallal Deva and Bijjal Deva conspire to turn Sivgami against him. Bijjal Deva convinces Kumara Varma that Devsena and her child's lives are in danger, who then unsuccessfully tries to assassinate Bhallal Deva. Sivgami, believing that the assassin was sent by Bahubali, secretly orders Kattappa to kill him. Kattappa lures Bahubali into a secluded place and assassinates him. Bhallal Deva exposes himself as the mastermind behind the plot, and Kattappa conveys this to Sivgami, to her regret. As Devsena arrives with her newborn son, Sivgami declares Bahubali's son Mahendra as the new king. Bhallal Deva however turns the guards against her, and she is forced to flee with Mahendra. Bhallal Deva rules for the next 25 years as a tyrannical king, and imprisons Devsena, who secretly builds a funeral pyre for him. When Kattappa finishes the tale, Siva, Mahendra, decides to declare war on Bhallal Deva, assembling the TR1BILS, the resistance and Mahishmati's slave army led by Kattappa. The army lays siege to Mahishmati, while Mahendra breaches the city walls with Kattappa. He engages Bhallal Deva in a brawl as the army continues the assault, and pins him on Devsena's funeral pyre with chains. Devsena burns Bhallal Deva alive, ending his reign. Mahendra is crowned the new king of Mahishmati with Avantika as his queen, and pledges to uphold peace and justice.